Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create professional composites for ads. Begin by isolating your product or subject using mask overlay mode and refining every edge with precision, as advertising visuals require clean, premium quality cutouts. Apply the mask and place the subject into the composite background, adjusting scale and alignment to maintain realistic proportions. Use clipped curves, levels, or color balance adjustments to match lighting and color temperature across all elements. Optional enhancements include adding contact shadows, reflections, or ambient light overlays to